Hey kids, let's go camping. We will learn 15 camping words. Number 1. This is a tent. Tent. Number 2. This is a campfire. Campfire. Number 3. This is a sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Number 4. This is a flashlight. Flashlight. Number 5. These are marshmallows. Marshmallows. Number 6. This is a backpack. Backpack. Number 7. This is a lantern. Lantern. Number 8. This is a map. Map. Number 9. This is a canoe. Canoe. Number 10. These are binoculars. Binoculars. Number 11. These are s'mores. S'mores. Number 12. This is a stick. Stick. Number 13. This is a fishing rod. Fishing rod. Number 14. This is firewood. Firewood. And finally, number 15. This is a compass. Compass. Do you like camping? I love camping in the summer. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Learn English Diary for more videos like this one. See you next time.